Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codetician again. As you all know, AI has become a buzzword and it is reshaping programming. You can either watch it happen or become part of it. In this playlist, I'll give you a complete step-by-step roadmap to become an AI engineer, even if you're starting from zero. How we are going to do this? We'll do this gradually step by step. We will start with Python for AI, where we will be covering basics and libraries like NumPy, Pandas. Then we'll be covering maths for AI, where we will be learning like linear algebra, probability, calculus. Then we'll be studying about data handling and pre-processing, and then we'll be switching to machine learning, where we will learn about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and do some hands-on with Scikit. Then we will be covering deep learning and neural networks using TensorFlow and PyTorch. Then we will see how the model deployments happen and how the APIs are integrated. Then after all this is covered, we can study about how to use AI efficiently. And don't worry, we'll not just cover theory, we'll do practical hands-on project which will be of value. So be ready to become an AI engineer. We'll build hands-on projects step by step. Next video, setting up Python for AI. So hit subscribe and let's start this journey together.